So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete the photos from iCloud without deleting them from your iPhone. Now you have noticed that when you delete your photos from your iPhone from iCloud, it will gets deleted from your iPhone as well. So in order to turn that option off, simply go to settings and click on your profile option, or simply go to the iCloud app on your iPhone. Once you open the iCloud, it will look something like this. Now first of all, click on this option of photos right there, and here you'll see this option of sync this phone. Just simply turn this option off. Now what it's gonna do, it will stop syncing your photos to iCloud and iCloud photos to your iPhone. And if you again delete the photos from the iCloud, it will not delete it from your iPhone. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.